What up, guys? We're at a real estate cleanup. I'm gonna tell you guys, like I said before, build relationships with your realtors, guys. This is the second time we've been over here, 2 months later, and we're clearing out the house. So hit your real estate offices up and build relationships and do good work, guys. So we're starting outside. All this stuff needs to go. We'll load it up pretty fast. Easy money.
This is gonna work, guys. Tried to cut the couch in half. It's vintage saw.
Nice.
That's an antique, dude. When you find one of these, guys, don't think jackpot, Matt's not looking. If you get my whiff.
So everything in this room needs to go, everything on the shelves, in the drawers need to go, stuff hanging on the walls. This ain't gonna take that long. We'll be done pretty fast in here. Easy money.
Yeah, old fat bastard.
I'll let you know, junk removal ain't easy, guys. It ain't easy doing junk removal, just so you know.
It's pretty easy, guys.
So the first load is done, guys. And it took about 45 minutes to an hour. And yeah.
Breakfast time.
Breakfast time. So the first load is complete and we're going to my old job, guys. This shithole right here, Safeway. But they do have some good burritos, breakfast burritos.
Some good food.
Some great food. So yeah, me and this redneck used to work here. And how much food do we eat every day?
I ate 8 pounds one day.
8 pounds of food.
One day.
Yeah, it was a horrible job, guys. Worked in the damn deli. But you know what? We ate our money's worth. So we're heading on in right now.
Take that, Garen.
They can't fire us for that now. It's too late. So we're heading to the shithole. The only thing good about Safeway are these damn burritos for $3.99. It is a hidden treasure here, guys. Go get yourself one. How good are they?
They're pretty good.
So today's Thursday and we did about almost 7K. Starting on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's in 4 days, guys. 7K already. So the first load is done and we're switching things up. The redneck's heading home to make sure that his wife's okay and that his house is safe because there's a fire happening right now.
Yeah, it's like 2 to 4 minutes away from my house. So if this happens again this year, Santa Rosa burns up, the rednecks out here is too damn expensive and too damn dangerous. I mean, this sucks ass. I feel bad I'm abandoning Matt right now. That never happens.
But it's all good. PG&E, the power's out at my house and at his house, and there's a fire right down the street from his house. So he's heading home, and I'm picking up the JoJo, and we're still gonna get some cash. So safety first.
You guys are in Sonoma County. Stay safe. Have tip of the day is have all important paperwork, pictures, irreplaceable stuff, which is not a lot. This is not irreplaceable. Have that stuff ready, guys. Have flashlights, a little bit of food, water, whatever. I mean, you don't have to be like prepper status, but you never know. Shit could hit the fan around here, and there's no stoplights. It's a 4-way stop everywhere. It's gonna be absolutely crazy if shit hits the fan. So stay prepared, guys.
Yeah, stuff's burning down, and guys, if you go right now, it's 10,000 acres right now burning down.
That was a couple of hours ago.
And that was happened last night.
Helicopter going into Annandale now.
So yeah, just be safe, guys. And I got all my paperwork, all my write-offs.
Dude,
pink slips, my bows and fishing poles are ready to hop in the truck and go. So yeah, I'll show you guys the cloud of smoke here in a second, guys. Now I'm picking up JoJo. So here's video of the fire, guys, that's happening right now. And it's pretty bad. This is what we do out here in Sonoma County, a lot of fires, but we're still getting cash, still getting money. Everyone's safe. But that's the view of the fire, guys. Crazy. Now this is what you call a trooper, guys. I gave JoJo a call, said, hey, the redneck needs to get home and check on his wife because the fires that are happening out here. You know what happened? I show up 15 minutes later and she's ready to roll. In uniform.
In uniform.
That's what I'm talking about.
I had to dig to find this stuff.
And what happened at your school? Your school shut down because why?
I'm a little bit worried actually because there's a big fire in my little school that I work at in Geyserville, and they evacuated everybody. So like all my friends are out of there, and we don't even really know what our school's gonna be like. So
you know what, guys? She don't know what's gonna happen, but you know what I do know is happening right now is I bought her a new iPad, and she brings out the old ghetto ass iPad when I bought her a new one at the house. Where's the new one at?
yeah, I have a lovely new one, but there's books that I read that are on this one.
Oh, okay. So we're heading back to the job, guys, and meet up with the realtor. So stay tuned. Round 2 with the JoJo. So there's more stuff over here that needs to go. All these pieces of wood need to go. The antique thing stained, blocks are stained. That's about it. Metal on top, guys.
Truck and trailer. There's more stuff.
So in this room, the shelf needs to go, the paint stain, and there's some rat shit on this shelf. You see that? Nasty. So everything in this little room's gone, guys. How you like this, JoJo?
Yeah, they did a lot of gardening.
So what you guys want to do is break down any fluffers and load the trailer that way, guys. The more you get it in there, the more the realtors will love you. Break down the fluffers. Oh yeah, we're getting it. I like when JoJo's on call like this. It's awesome. Like a firefighter. Now my favorite thing about junk removal, beating the shit out of stuff, guys. Breaking these boxes up right here and gonna load them on up.
Doesn't get any fuller than that.
You ain't working hard unless you got a hat dirty like that, guys. You need JoJo to clean that bad boy up. That's filthy.
It is. I'll clean that.
That's when you know you work hard, guys. You got dirty ass hats like that. All 5 of my hats are filthy like that, guys. Buy 5 more new ones and wash these ones. So job is complete, guys, and due to the fires and PG&E being out, I had to cancel a job that I didn't think I would make it to. But that's what you guys want to do, play it safe. I actually could have made it to the job. I scheduled it for tomorrow, and this job is complete. 2 full loads. Realtor's happy.
Yeah.
And guess what JoJo got?
Well, these type of jobs are my favorite because sometimes the women are so thankful that you're helping them out. So she brings out this full of lemons, which I love lemons because I like to cook with them. And we're working in Sebastopol, so YouTubers that are from other parts of the country and they're not familiar with around here. Sebastopol is known as like Apple City. That's where so much of your apples come from. So they had apple trees and I picked a bunch of these. And then later tonight I plan on making this, which is an apple bake with cinnamon, and it's just gonna taste so good.
Now I wonder why I weigh 234 pounds. She feeds me really good. And the bad part is when we go home, I gotta put some pots on the stove, heat up some water, and take a bath or take a cold shower.
Yeah.
So yeah, that kind of sucks. Power's out still, guys. It'll be out till Saturday. So we're out here and we're still getting money.
Our stove works though because it's gas.
So yeah, if you guys like these videos, please hit that like and subscribe button and check out our other videos. You want to say anything else, JoJo?
No, we have lots of videos, so if you haven't seen them all, go look through them, and I'm sure a lot of those videos will answer questions that you might have. So.
And don't forget to tarp your load, guys. I gotta tarp this bad boy, and it's a full load, guys. I mean, it's a full load. I'll show you how I do it for my realtors, guys. This is how I load them up. I make sure I get a full load for them, because they will use you guys again. Hit that like and subscribe button. Oh yeah.